Seatbelts are gonna get you bitches, bro. I don't wear them, I still don't get bitches. Your name is Russell?
This is Ice Spice and cancels the badass monster.
Fuck, this shit empty like a empty soul vessel. Oh!
Look, that's what I saw.
Money yet, not your funny.
I think it's that right there.
That's a jump scare, bro.
See it right there? No, it's that right there. No,
We're aliens?
Yeah, look, like it farts. It's bro, because when you zoom in, bro, it goes such horrible. Look, hold over there.
Jaden was sitting there like this. He was like,
I was, bro. Look. It was in the sky, right? In the sky.
you're not recorded through a window, though.
Okay, it's still horrible, bro. Y'all need to believe me, bro. I
Like, you see all the reflections off it? Of course it's gonna be.
I saw a UFO. I closed the tab. I'm being so for real, bro.
Why did you record?
I have two other witnesses. I was like, I couldn't.
You said that, like,
I was processing. I was like, man. It was going like this, right? And it went. No, you can't. If you're going.
if aliens are so smart, why'd they come to Earth, bro? There's so many interesting other planets, bro.
Because they're not aliens, they're demons. Because they're in the stars and they're fallen angels, so they're falling. Hold on, y'all need to look up a video about it. It's real.
Jacob don't know.
You gotta look at it in a religious perspective. Who is that?
Me. Calling someone a poopy head. And then the second thing I said was, ain't no way you guys are teaming. How is that offensive?
Robots be tripping, bro. Yo, robots don't like you, bro.
Enjoy it up until I really say. I don't wanna flex it till I got it. I don't wanna flex it till I got it, so I wait now. I don't wanna flex until I get it. I don't wanna flex until I got it, so I wait now. Yo, this is Ice Spice and cancel the badass monster.